Hello children, today we are going to solve the exercise part of the lesson at the zoo. In this lesson, Manu and his family, dog Spot, mummy and daddy all were going for the zoo. And what they have seen? They have seen lots of animals and they learn all the sounds of animals also, right? Yes, now move on to the exercise part. Here is evaluate part. First one reading. Tick the right option. Whichever are the correct, we have to tick the right option. First one, Daddy said he would take all of them to the park or to the zoo. What the daddy said? Daddy said to that to take the zoo. Second one, who were happy? Manu and Mita, Manu, Mita and Spot. Who were happy? That is Manu, Mita as well as Spot. Third one, at the zoo, they saw whatever they have saw in that zoo. We have to tick it. In that lesson, is there monkey? Yes. It's waving his long tail. Snake. Snake sounds his in that lesson. Is there donkey in that lesson? No. Cheetah is there? No. Lion is there? Yes. How it sounds, lion? Lion roars. Then tiger is in that lesson? Yes. So, what was tiger doing? Tiger was sleeping. Then giraffe is in that lesson? No. Then elephant? Yes. What was the elephant doing? Elephant was lifting his trunk up and down. Then crocodile? Yes. Crocodile also in that lesson. Okay, only donkey, cheetah, giraffe is not there in that lesson at the zoo. What the Manu and Mita and Spot saw? Only monkey, snake, lion, elephant, tiger and crocodile at the zoo. Okay, they didn't saw that donkey, cheetah and giraffe. Move on to the B part. Answer the questions with yes or no, circle the right option. First one they have done, that is the crocodile went his. Crocodile his ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? So that's why ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ no ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The elephant had a long nose. ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ನೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Yes. So we have to circle yes. The family went by car to the zoo. Family, Manu and family ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು ಝೂಗೆ? ಕಾರಿಂದ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes, by car they went to the zoo. The tiger was roaming. Tiger roam ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮನು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಝೂಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ? No, it was sleeping. So we have to circle here no. The lion was sleeping. Lion ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತಾ? Sleeping ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ? No. So what was the lion doing? Lion was roaring. So we have to circle here no. Okay. Move on to the language use. Here the concept is, am, are. You can read here, I am Manu. I ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಆಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೀನಾ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೀನಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಬಾಯ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಈ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಟೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಮೆನಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಮ್, ಶಿ ಹಿ ಇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈಸ್, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ವಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್. Here is one exercise part. Circle the right option in these sentences. So first one, I am, is, are playing with my friends. Okay? I ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? It should become am or circle. I am playing with my friends. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದ ವುಮನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ವುಮನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ವುಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಿ. ಹಿ ಶಿ ಇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಆಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾ, ಈಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾ, ಆರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾ? ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ವುಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. Move on to the next one. The children dash painting. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮೆನಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಆಮ್, ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್? ಆರ್. Children are so many, no? So the children are painting. Then fourth one, the man, am, is, are making samosa. So what will come here? The man is making samosa. Then B part, filling the blanks with am, is, or, are. So we have to fill the blanks with the help of am, is, and are. The sunflower dash yellow. The sunflower dash yellow. Then we have to write here, the sunflower is yellow. Next, the cups dash full. Cups is a plural. Many ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಕಪ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಮೆನಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? That is are. The cups are full. Okay. Then the mouse dash hiding. The mouse is ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? The mouse is hiding. I dash hungry. I ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? Am. I am hungry. Then the dog dash barking. So the dog is barking. Move on to the C part. The concept is animals and their babies. In the bracket they have given their baby's name. We have to find out first which animal in this column we have to write down, and we write down next their baby's name in this column. For example, the first picture is lion animal and the baby of lion called cub. C-U-B, cub. And the second picture is, what is this? Cat. C-A-T, cat. And the cat baby called kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Next, third one is dog. D-O-G, dog. And the dog baby is called puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Then fourth one is, fourth one is cow. Cow baby is called as calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Then fifth one is sheep. Sheep. Then sheep baby is called as lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Then the last one is horse. Horse baby is called as foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Then writing part. These sentences describe the giraffe. Here some sentences are there that describing about giraffe. What was that? The giraffe is a tall animal. Giraffe ತುಂಬಾ tall ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is yellow in color. ಯಾವ color ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Yellow color. It has 4 legs and a long neck. 4 legs and long neck ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It has spots on its body. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ spots ಇದಾವೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ. So like that we have to describe this elephant with the help of these words from the bracket. An elephant is very big. B-I-G. First one we took this one. Big. It is dash in colors. Gray in colors. Okay. It has 4 dash and 2 big. It has 4 legs. Okay. And 2 big ears. Then its long nose is called a trunk. Right. So this is the describing of an elephant. Here you can see the 3 pictures. Which are the correct? We have to put the correct mark. Which are the wrong? We put the wrong mark. Throwing to the harming to the animal is a correct? No, it's a bad thing. Throwing that dust on the road, is it correct? No, wrong. Loving to the animal, that is the correct. We have to love the animals.